What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mark, Chosen One. I'm over here at Audio Systems. It's assembly day, and it's only been like 4 days, and these guys get down. They get down super hard. It's not fully assembled yet, but in this episode, we're gonna go from the assembly process to it fully, the interior being fully assembled and done, so I could show you guys. Let's just kind of see what they've done in literally 4 days. First, can I open the trunk?
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah. First, let's go with the trunk setup. It's not done yet, obviously, but this is where the box goes. You know what's funny is I sent a picture of the setup to one of my boys. That same picture you sent me. I'll put the picture here. And he goes, "What am I looking at? Just a fucking trunk."
Yeah.
And I'm like, that's exactly what I'm looking for, because he couldn't tell that there was a sub in there. Maybe he wasn't paying attention, but just in a quick glance, you can't really tell, and that's kind of the whole point. This has all been crafted, so it's all perfectly, it doesn't take up much room.
It's bolted onto the car too.
And it's bolted onto the car, no holes were made. No holes were made, that's key.
I made sure.
That's key, so that's pretty sick. They 3D printed and scanned this little thing right here for my tweeter setup. You guys saw the old janky shit, was just hanging, it was like, looked like a fucking nutsack just hanging down. But this looks pretty sick. I don't have to mess up any of my OEM like things. It's just like an add-on, and I have my OEM piece if I ever want to go back to factory. So that's a really, really cool addition. The screen's in right there. It looks nice and snug, so that's pretty cool. The Alcantara headliner's in. I'm gonna get the light to kind of show the final product, but this is in. So I'm just here to install all the pieces, all the Mines Carbon stuff, the center console, the steering wheel, everything. So I'm just gonna get to work, and you guys just gonna have to watch me do all this shit. So obviously look at this mess here, but just hear kind of what it sounds like. Perfect.
Whoa, want it all, I won't leave a breadcrumb. When I thought it said something, G-block, all we know is red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum.
That sounds good.
All we know is red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum.
Sounds fantastic. And that's without tune, that's without the sub, that's without any of that shit.
Yes, sir. So we still gotta tune the DSP that the radio has built in. It has a small processor. We still gotta tune this a little bit so we could dial everything in.
Okay. By the way, guys, the factory carpet had these fucking holes and it was cut and shit, so we just put it here.
Yeah, I used all the existing holes that were there to run all the wires. We used the factory locations where to mount the amp. So this amp is mounted to that metal bracket, and then to this acrylic piece.
So this is still kind of loose though.
Yeah, because
on purpose.
Your seat goes
the seat goes
on top
on.
of it,
Got it.
And then it bolts everything together.
Okay, cool. This is sick. I'm fucking musicking this shit now. So just to be clear, you put tweeters up here.
Yes, sir.
6x9?
6.5.
6.5 and then 6x9 in the back?
6.5.
6.5. So 6.5 tweeters.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you have 6 speakers total.
Got it.
Yeah.
And a sub.
And then the sub.
Cool. All right, guys, I got the light on. Before I get this going, look at that, dog.
It's got like a texture.
So sick. It's that MFD cover. It's been clear broad just to protect it from the sun. And of course, Mines. I'm about to put the new AC vent in. I got all the little LEDs over here. LEDs just to make the interior pop a little bit. I'm gonna move to the AC vent and kind of make my way down. Steering wheel. So yeah, I just want to show you guys that it looks hard. This is just the brand new console, putting the cup holder in this motherfucker. It's hard to film when I build my own shit. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I mean? Interior's looking good. We just tested the fucking sound. Sounds fucking amazing. Ain't no nerd doing it like this, guys. Not happening. All right. This is the new one. Fresh, fresh, fresh. This is the old one. So, just some differences. I mean, I got the, you know, little scratches and stuff. This is nice and fresh with the mines. You know what I'm saying? What else did we do? We put the little e-brake handle on. You guys saw that already. Got the fresh AC vent. So we're gonna put the center console on real quick. It's obvious that I fucking work on my own shit. Fucking build this whole fucking car by myself. Except the audio. You know what I mean? That's my boy hobby right now. And this shit sounds fucking fire.
Yeah, you're gonna enjoy this one.
Like a glove.
There it is. You can see he got it right on the hole.
Right there. I know where the holes are and I know how to get them in there. It's been like a, I guess you can call it a curse of mine, that I just know how to find the hole and just fucking drill it until I can't pull out anymore. And
I'm pretty excited right now.
of course, yeah, I'm super excited.
Putting it in the hole.
I am. Are we talking about car? I'm talking about this car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
We're just
like
making
once
sure.
I put a new part in, I don't want to take it back out again.
I was about to say.
That's all.
Are we in the same subject?
Yeah, we're definitely on the same side. Dude, this interior is fucking so sick. Fucking creaming on my fucking pants, dude.
Yeah, that was a couple people walking by doing that.
Yeah, but they're just creaming because they're seeing a skyline. I'm creaming because I got these brand new parts and these fucking, I geek out over this shit.
I think Mark's gonna need some tissue.
Oh yeah. First of all, you guys want to see that? Okay. And then there we go.
And it goes in just like factory.
Should I have it all the way up like this?
Button it up.
I don't know. Nah. I think it looks better with the nipple showing. What do you guys think?
I mean, I think everybody likes nipples.
Oh, because I mean, yeah, that makes sense. This looks hard. By the way, guys, look at the sub. Sounds hard. By the way, I'm fixing the Nismo button, so that's gonna get on. We're gonna put that on later. This is just with half the power. There's no way you guys are gonna be able to hear it the way I hear it here.
But I thought I said something. Thought I said something. G-Block, all we know is red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum. G-Block, all we know is red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum.
There's zero rattling. Zero. Not a single thing.
32 shots in the K.
Hands loud.
Marathon, I really run an A, run an A. Say you touch me, houseway, houseway.
Fucking sick. Okay, I'm gonna take off the steering wheel. We gotta disconnect the battery. They promised me 4 days and they're actually delivering, which is really rare in this industry. I'm gonna be honest with you, it doesn't happen. So it's pretty nuts that all this shit happened in literally 4 days. Full audio, full interior. It's pretty crazy. But yeah, guys, check this shit out. Brand new airbag, brand new steering wheel, brand new turn signals, center console piece, the mines. This is kind of weird. I'm gonna have to, I'll figure that out. But super sick. I love it. I love it. See the green carbon from the top there. The mirror is gonna show. Ooh, this is gonna be sick. Morning, everyone. We're back over here. Delivery day, pickup day, whatever you want to call it. Final day.
Final piece of the puzzle, guys.
I would say the final piece to this puzzle. Mine's keychain, dog. Alcantara. Let's go. Sick. I had to take the mirror out real quick, guys, to be honest. I had to glue some shit. But yeah, basically the car is fucking done. We're gonna tune the audio right now.
Do you like the noises?
No.
Okay, so let's turn these off.
I don't even like moaning. Just like
You want the color blue or do you want it red?
green, dog.
Green? Cool, cool. Let's do
Mines.
mine's. Alright, screen color.
Yes.
Alright.
Now we're talking the green carbon, dog. Look at that shit. Let me turn off the. Hold on. Look at the green carbon, guys. Damn.
Match it. Cool.
My phone should be connected, but not on CarPlay.
Okay, so let's do blue.
Make room on my plate. I just said my grace and then I ate. Got a particular taste. I just stuffed my pockets in my face. Okay, let's have a debate. We talking about popping, I promise I'm feeling the way. I took the bodies up out of my closet, I buried them deep and they still in the way. I know some little niggas got baptized, trap guys, they can't put the drilling away. Had to part ways with the sad vibe, bad guy, you might be a villain today. Ask God why I didn't get an answer. Why I lose my brother to bullets. Why I lose my grandma to cancer. Why me, God, I need answers. Why a young nigga straight out Atlanta. Why the judge and the cops trying to jam us. Why I keep getting all of these chances. Why me, God, I need answers. Speak your mind and you might get canceled. Pinky ring and it cost me a phantom. Wet the witness, the evidence tamper. Dirty money, the safest to hamper. Yeah, my bitch, she a star and I stamped her.
You want more highs out of it? Like, you want more tweet or do you like more voice?
It depends on the song, bro.
What do you listen to typically? Hip hop?
Everything. Like sometimes I just want a fast way to turn down the bass if it's too bassy. That's it.
Okay, so the way to do that, if you ever need to turn it down, go to this main screen. You got your bass control there, right?
It's all the way up right now.
It's all the way up right now.
How do I get there again?
So you say we go back to the home screen. See this little arrow here?
Yeah.
Just tap that, and then you have all.
Oh, okay, I got you.
If for any reason you want more treble or bass, like in terms of like just from the overall sound,
Sure.
hit this once, and then you'll have bass and treble.
Oh, I see.
So this is like depending on what music you're going
Sure,
with.
sure,
high,
sure.
You can add it.
All I'm gonna do is turn the sub down or up. That's it.
Correct.
A little
So
bit. That's it.
If you ever need to do that, or if you get confused and this shows up, just hit this once, and then you have
Got it.
control.
Okay.
Cool. And other than that, it's pretty much it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna mic it for a bit, just to kind of get you a little cleaner sound overall.
Okay.
And that's it.
What does that mean?
Tune it.
Oh.
With the microphone. With
Oh.
the microphone. So there's only
Okay.
so much we can do with our little ears, and then off you go. You should be set.
All right, guys. That's it. I'm very, very happy with this setup. The box was custom made, designed for this specific chassis, and the tweeters were designed for this chassis. They have the files. If any one of you guys just wants a nice clean setup that's low key, that sounds insane, it sounds insane. I'm sure whatever 34s you guys are getting from Japan, it's gonna come with bullshit audio. I would bring it here. I brought my NER here. If you guys want, bring your shit here, talk to Javi. Make sure you let him know you're one of Mark's boys and he's gonna hook it up, right?
Oh yeah.
Give him the 75% off.
All right.
Okay, cool. But yeah, no, I appreciate it, bro. You did the best. You guys are the best for audio-wise, so yeah, man, I'm super happy. Can't be any happier. Guys, let me know what you guys think about the interior, the full interior. Hopefully you guys love it as much as I love it. Most of the time is spent in the interior of the car, so you got to make sure that's on point. And the car is basically complete now. Just the brakes and the new clutch, and that's it. But I hope to take you guys on this journey with me. Driving the car, I'm gonna drive it way better than Ron. Fuck Ron. And if you guys can, hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would appreciate that. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.